What we're looking at here is a bright brass Casablanca Cambridge from 1989. It's paired with a bright brass K4S, and this can be installed with 4 or 5 blades. Something happened to the tag right there where it's just barely dented on the end. That's no big deal. We'll do demo mode real quick. Bearings and flywheel are still perfectly good. And this fan's IntelliTouch was acting up a little bit when I first got it, but then after using it a few times, it seems to be working normal now. This fan operates very smoothly. I don't remember if I mentioned before, but this did come from Facebook Marketplace. The seller was banging this fan up quite a bit. The blades were fully assembled when I got it, and they were just kind of throwing it around. Weren't being real careful with it, and it held up really good, thankfully. I personally really love the ornate design on the Cambridge blade brackets. That's probably my favorite thing about the Cambridge, because I just think it's really unique and cool looking. This is the second Cambridge that I've owned. The first one I sold a long time ago. It was an antique brass Cambridge with a completely failed IntelliTouch that was just glitching out, and that IntelliTouch board was done. This is it on high speed. It's pretty much completely still with no shaking. Very powerful. Just the way Casablancas usually are. I suppose we can do spin down. It still has very good bearings, so the spin down takes a little while. I'm not sure if the board is failing or the light module is failing or something, or I don't know if it's normal, but I'm seeing the lights flicker every now and then on this fan for some reason. But yeah, that's about all I got for this 1989 bright brass Casablanca Cambridge.